All right, in this example, I'm going to show you how to do the third Charles Law problem. So, start off with V1, T1, V2, T2, and our formula, which is V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. So now when I look at the problem, given 300.0 milliliters of a gas at 17 degrees Celsius, we then change its temperature to 10 degrees Celsius. So what is the new volume at that point? So when we look at it, the 300 milliliters, that is our V1, that's our starting volume, because remember, volume is measured in milliliters. T1, or the starting temperature, is going to be the 17 degrees Celsius, and then the 10 degrees Celsius will be our T2. So that means we have two temperature conversions to do. So for T1, it is 17 plus 273 to change it into Kelvin. It's always 273. That is our magic number. So that's going to be 290 Kelvin. For T2, we're going to take 10 plus 273. So you guys should get 283 K. So now we can plug in our numbers. So V1 is 300. T1 is 290. V2, since that's what we're looking for, that's our unknown there, that's going to be our X. And then T2 is 283. And now we need to plug in our numbers. Now remember, with our temperatures, we cannot use Celsius. It only works in Kelvin. And it has to do with Kelvin not having negative numbers in the temperature scale. So to start off with, V1 is 300, T1 is 290, V2 is X, and then 283. So first thing we do is we cross multiply. So we end up with 290x equals 300 times 283. So our first step is to get x by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by 290. So when we go to the top, because our 290s cancel on that side, we end up with 300 times by 283 divided by 290. So V2 equals, if I grab my calculator and punch this in now, times 283 divided by 290 is 292.8 milliliters. So when you look at your calculator, it's 0.75. So remember, since 5, like when you're rounding, if it's 5 or bigger, you round the next number up, so the 7 becomes the 8. So there is our answer for that one.